Anybody know what these are? Because I don't. Green all last year, all through the winter. Grew up this year. It's May 24th. And they finally started to come and look like they're going to do something besides like this. I noticed last week, or yeah, I guess last week, those little things in there. And now I notice this. And check this guy one out. He's got colors to it. See if I can get a better shot. The camera has been having a lot of trouble focusing lately. I don't know what's going on. I cleaned the lens and so anyway, you know, anybody know what these are? I don't. But they came up the second year. They're doing pretty good in the wind. We had some pretty stiff winds. And yeah, they just came up out of nowhere. So if anybody knows what they are, let me know. They're neat. I'm having a lot of difficulty keeping them alive in the house. Too much water, not enough water, medium water. They're just not doing well. So I might have to transplant them. And every time they start to come back, I'm like, okay, good. And then the next day they're down again. So I give them water. Then I overwater them. So I don't know. But out here, they don't really need hardly anything at all. Matter of fact, none of these do until it gets hot. But it's getting up to 75 now and 80. So we'll see. But should look really beautiful. I don't know how long they'll last, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over there, and looks like there's gonna be another 7 of those flowers of those pink kind. So if they stay for a while and they all start blooming at the same time, it should look really nice. I have no idea what I bought and what it looks like. All right, love yous.